going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to install a dash cam on the Lexus because there are too many crazy drivers out here, way too many. Now the dash cam we are going to install today is VAVA Dash Cam. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time until the other day I realized that I really need to install one to cover my back just in case something happened, because some drivers out there, they just don't care. They just don't give a damn at all. So what's in the back? You have your front and your rear camera, and it comes with that little remote as well. And as you can see here, it has Wi-Fi and parking mode. You have to download the app on your phone to do all that. And this is the wire that you kind of want to connect it to the rear camera, and this is the wire that it comes with to one power to the dash cam. However, I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use this because I'm going to hardwire the dash cam, and this is what VAVA recommend to use to do that. And as you can see here, I also have my SD card right here. All right, I'm gonna place the dash cam right here, and I will run the wire up here, and then I will move the side right here because you don't wanna put the wire in front of the airbag. And then I'll run it down here, and we move that piece here as well, and that trim here, so I can connect it to the fuse box. For the rear camera, I'll do the same thing. Run the wire here to here, and then just pass it underneath of these panels and go all the way back. Now there are two fuse boxes in this card. There's one under here and there's one underneath over there. Now the main reason why I'm going to here, it's because I need a fuse that puts out power at all times, so when I'm away from the car I can leave the dash cam on parking mode. And whenever I get a new radar detector, I'll do the same thing, run it to here and use the fuse for the cigarette lighter. The main reason that I'm not installing it to the cigarette lighter is because when you're away from the car, you can't leave the dash cam on parking mode. But all right, guys, let's go ahead and install the dash cam in the car. Okay guys, after a few tries, it seems like you can't really get this thing out. I just read something on Club Lexus that you pretty much have to pinch this and break it and buy a new tab. I don't know if that's true or not, but what I'm going to do is leave this right here and run the wire to here and see if I can grab it here, because this thing right here, right there, is the airbag, and you don't wanna run the wire in front of the airbag. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Try to run it up here, down here, and see if somehow I can get it through there. All right, let's see what happened. Okay, before I place the camera on the windshield, this is where you put the SD card right in here. All right, guys, this is where I place the front dash cam. Now all I have to do is run the wire to here and tie on there. Okay guys, I realize that the best thing to do is run the wire to here first to go up there. Okay guys, finally I get this thing would have been way easier if I could just take this side off. You can, but I don't know if it's true or not, but the way they design it, it's like you gotta pinch the tab there and there, and then if you do that they'll break. You're gonna have to buy a new one. So it was just a pain to just get the wires here behind the airbags so I can run them to here. As you can see, I'm not done yet. Now what I have to do is run the wire for the rear camera underneath up here and all the way up. This is the where I place the camera, and I plugged it and run this to here and up here. This I'm gonna put another tab here, and then I run the wire to here and go all the way underneath of these. You could leave this up too, but this is a lot of work. I didn't want to do all that, so the best way to do it was to run it on the ground and up here and put it right up there. All right, this is the fun part. Here is where you gonna have to find a ground somewhere here, because you have to plug this, and the kit also comes with 4 different type of fuse connectors, and depends on the car that you have, you can have to choose one. But for this car, I think this is gonna be the one, and that's the fuse. It all what it comes with. This fuse is for the dash cam, and when you remove the fuse you're gonna use underneath of here, you're gonna have to place it right up front of here. I don't know if you can see it, and then you just plug it in, and then this part of the wire you would have to connect it in here. So all we have to do now is find the fuse, which I think I'm gonna use the fuse for the power seat, because these always work no matter what. All right guys, this is a fuse box. As you can see, the one I'm gonna use is that green one right here that says the 30. Green one right here, that one is the power seat fuse. So I'm going to remove that and connect it to the other ones so I can connect the dash cam. All right guys, turns out I was wrong. This fuse, this one right here, it's not the one that would be able to fit on this car. It's actually going to be this one here. So what I'm going to do is place the fuse in here, and as you can see here, because I removed the fuse, that seat won't even work. All right guys, let's put this back in and we can finish with the installation. Okay guys, our fuse is plugged back in, and the ground as well, and this is the fuse right here. I don't know, it's a little dark in here, you can see it, it's right there. And as you can see, I cannot put the fuse cover back because of all those wires, and the seat it's working again. So now let's go ahead and plug our camera and see if everything works. And just like that, guys, I plug it and it makes a little sound. I don't know if you can see it. It's raining. It's a little dark here. There's a little red light right up here. Now what I'm going to do is use my phone to set the camera mirror up. Okay guys, just like that, we are done. I put everything back together, and as you can see, you can't see any wires up here. And I put this one back. Man, this one, I have to tell you, this part is the hardest part, because you can't take this off all the way. There's some tab there, you have to pinch them, and if you do that, you have to buy a new tab to put in, because you can't reuse them. At least that's what it says on Club Lexus, which is stupid. I don't know why would Lexus do that. So for me to pass the wires behind the airbag, I have to try over and over and over, because you don't have enough room to put your hand. So you just have to take your time and pass it through behind this, and then go all the way up here. As you can see, the wire is right here. You can still see this right there, but I don't really care. So yeah, right now I'm doing some update on my phone right here, and then we'll give you guys a few shots of how the thing looks from front and the back. Alright guys, this is how you hardwire a dash cam on your Lexus. As you can see, it's simple, but the only problem with this is the side right here. That's the only hard part. And then if you going to hardwire your dash cam, which you should, because most dash cam today come with parking mode, so you want to hardwire to a fuse that always have power, so that way when I'm away from the car, I can put the dash cam on parking mode, and then if something happen, the dash cam will catch it. And when you put it on parking mode, that doesn't mean that it's recording the whole time. It's just when someone passed by the car, or when something passed by the car, it'll record that and then stop recording after. The whole thing is new to me, so I don't really know how it properly works. So I'll do some more research, and then maybe in a few days or so, on my next video in the big Canon of it, I'll toast some shots and then do a little review and show you how this thing works. Alright guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.